Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super useful topic: how to add a credit card on StockX for 2025. Whether you're a sneaker enthusiast looking to snag the latest drops or just getting started with online reselling, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. StockX has made some updates for 2025 to make payments even smoother and more secure, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your StockX account. If you don't have one yet, head over to the StockX website or app and create a free account. It's quick and easy. Once you're in, click on your profile icon, usually in the top right corner, and select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Next, navigate to the Payment Methods section. This is where you manage all your payment options. Look for an Add Payment Method button and give it a click. You'll see a list of options, so choose Credit Card as your preferred method. Now, it's time to enter your details. Carefully input your credit card number, the expiration date, the CVV code, and the name on the card. StockX uses top-notch encryption to keep your information safe, so don't worry about security. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Accuracy is key. After you've filled in the details, hit the Save or Add Card button. Depending on your bank, you might get a verification prompt, like a text code or a small authorization hold. Once that's done, your card will be added and ready to use. And just like that, you're all set. Now you can make seamless purchases on StockX with your credit card. Remember, always keep an eye on your account for any updates, and if you run into issues, StockX has great customer support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more tech and shopping tips. See you in the next video.